So there's a million kinds of salad in the world, but there's three primary categories that they tend to fall into. The first one is a tossed salad. We all know a tossed salad. It's like a bunch of stuff in a bowl, kind of tossed together, right? Like greens and maybe some tomatoes and a cucumber and some dressing and just kind of tossed, right? And so like a common tossed salad would be a green salad, like you go to a restaurant, or like a side salad is usually just a tossed salad. Next kind of salad is a composed salad. And a composed salad is usually plated very intentionally. And it's called composed because it is actually composed. You often have a platter or a plate, and everything is put specifically in a place so that it looks nice, and you can kind of go from place to place to place and decide what you want to eat, or mix it all up and toss it together if you want. But a composed salad is very specific in what it looks like. It's actually highly manicured and it looks beautiful. We're actually going to learn about two composed salads today. We're going to make a Cobb salad and we're going to make a Niçoise salad. And a Niçoise salad is from the Nice region of France. It's a beautiful salad that is super hearty and really beautiful. The final category of salad is a bound salad. And we all have had bound salads, even though we might not have known what they're officially called. And a bound salad is any salad that is like bound together with like a liquid or a creamy thing, such as a macaroni salad, a chicken salad, or a potato salad. Those are all bound salads.